Hello friends, as you can see in this video I'll show you how to highlight the current row in Excel. First of all, like and subscribe, support this video and channel, thank you a lot. Let's start by highlighting all rows in our table that should be highlighted in color. In our case, this is all data except the header. For quick selection, choose the first cell and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+End. OK, back to the beginning. Now create conditional formatting rule. In Home tab we go to Style section, then Conditional Formatting and create a new rule. In the menu that appears, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Next, enter the formula. We write the equal sign, then the row function, and indicate in brackets the first cell of the selected range, that is A2. Then again, the equal sign and write the cell function, the argument row of which will be a string in quotation marks. OK, now let's choose the fill color and click OK. As you can see, the first line is highlighted in color, but the rest of the rows are not highlighted yet, which means that the first part of the task has been completed successfully. And to make everything work properly, create a simple macro. Go to the name of the spreadsheet data, right-click and select View Code. Here we change General to Worksheet and enter the code of our macro. I'll leave the code of this macro in the description. Let's check how it works. Close this window and click on the cells on our spreadsheet. OK, as you can see, everything works great. The rows are highlighted every time you click. Now let's add a button to turn on/off the highlighting function in case you don't need it all the time. To do this, I created a classic drop-down list with two options, to turn on and turn off the highlight. I leave a video on how to create a drop-down list in the description. To do this, click the Conditional Formatting button and select Manage Rules from the drop-down menu. In the menu that appears right here, select this worksheet and double-click to open the highlighting rule we created. Let's add the AND function to the formula, which will be triggered under two conditions. The first is the completion of the highlight formula, and the second condition will be whether the drop-down list in cell M6 is equal to the value turned on. Click OK and check how it all works. When the switch is in turn on position, the highlight is on. And when in turn off position, the highlight is off. That is what we needed. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching, leave comments and see you in other videos.